So guys, I'm recording now. I'm so actually sorry guys, you know why? Because I did not give you a video today. And my main problem was I was busy, but I actually discovered that it was Christy only because of I wasn't sure that it's Christy who's presenting. But anyway, let's just do a recap. The most important thing, guys, that I'm gonna teach you in this thing of gambling, especially UK football, you just have to know the presenter. It is very, very important and highly recommended. Did you see what we did yesterday? Yesterday we managed to hit UK Fortnite like hard. So it's Christy and Gina. I always say this. And guys, it's very important for you guys to have this book so that you keep on practicing and understanding, because there's a book where I wrote all these presenters how they normally create their codes. Understand? So I'm going to do this. It's Christy. Don't worry about my pronunciation. That's how I pronounce the name. And Gina. These two girls, they use the same strategy. And then it's Tony. It's Tony and Helen. These two guys use the same strategy. Then it's Daniel and Joshan. They use the same strategy. Then this new girl, she also does the same strategy that Helen is using, because there's a girl that came yesterday on Twitter. I crashed her. Okay, so now guys, I'm going to do this. I'm going to say, you see, when it's Christy who's doing this presentation, she does this. She takes these last two biggest numbers. Remember, and please write it down, because if you don't, trust me, you're going to be like, coach, you did not tell us. So if like Christy, what she did now, she said 42 plus 48. Then you say times 2. Why times 2? Because of I added these two numbers. Then you multiply by 2. That is Christy's strategy and Gina. You're going to get a 138. The code was 138. So let's go and check. Guys, that's why sometimes you be surprised when I see like 4 numbers or 5 numbers appearing on my course. It's because of the way they predicted their codes, you see. So let me do this now. I'm going to show you this code 138, what they did. So the code was 138. So what she did, she said 1 plus 38, it gave you 39. 1 minus 38 is 37. So just imagine, guys, this code, it gave us 1, 37, 38 straight from the code. And you know what, guys, I'm so angry, because if I had posted this code to you guys, imagine code 138. This strategy, I say 1 plus 3, it gives me a 4. Then you carry that, it's a 48, which means we had 4 numbers: 48, 37, 1, 38. Imagine, guys. Then if we add up everything that is in here, let's try and see. If we say 8, if you say 1 plus 3 plus 8, that will definitely give us an 11, a 12, I mean. So if we get a 12, there's no 12 there, so it is fine. Okay, it's fine. And then I'm going to take this 138 again and do like 38 and 5. So there's 38, there's 37, then there's a 1 there, which means it's done. So let's see what is going to happen for the next one. For tomorrow, it's 40 and 44. So it's 40, 44. So they're going to say this. So if it's Christy or if it's Gina or if it's Helen, I'm not sure about that. But then let's say tomorrow it's Christy. Let me just open here. So I say it is 40 plus 44. This time I'm going to say multiply by 2, it will give me 128. And then if I say plus 56, the formula, plus 55, sorry, it gives me a 139. So which means tomorrow, guys, you have to expect this kind of number. Let's see this. Imagine tomorrow's code is 128 and 139. So this is going to happen. They're going to pick the banker 13. So it's 13, 13, and then there's 19, there's 39, there's 31 on the same code. Then if you add and say 1 plus 39, that gives you a 40. 40 is already played, so I'm going to play the neighbor of 40, which is 41. Then there's also a 41. Then here with 12, with 128, what we're going to have, you're going to say 1 plus 2, it will give us a 3. We carry that, it gives us a 38. So a 38 is played. We're going to jump over to 39 because 38 is played, you understand? Then if we subtract 1 minus 2, it gives me an 18. it gives me a 1. Then if I carry that 1, it gives me an 18, which is not bad. Then there's this other number that they skipped today actually, called 128. If you say 12 plus 8, that gives you a 20. 12 minus 8, that gives us a 4. So yeah, today we had 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. I promise you guys, tomorrow you guys are gonna boom more than this. We're going to boom. Please follow my videos and subscribe. And please guys, also make sure that you come and purchase yourself books. Thank you very much.